So we just came home from being outside in the rain. Haven't even gotten the towel yet. Somebody decides, oh, I'm going to jump into the bed. To clean yourself up. Clean yourself up. Oh, you think you're funny? You think you're funny? You think you're funny rubbing yourself all over the bed? Think you're funny? Think you're funny? Come here, let me rub this puppy dog. Oh, your dog getting bed all wet. A dog getting the bed all wet. Think you're funny? Yeah, well, let's not talk about your looks. Let's not talk about your looks. Funny looking. Funny looking dog. Funny looking dog. Oh, goodness. Oh. You are such a dog. You are such a dog. You really? Are you sure about that? You think so? You think so? What are you doing? You're running around on the bed. Running and jumping on the bed. There's no more monkeys jumping on the bed? Are you a monkey jumping on the bed? One fell down. One fell down, bunked his head. Oh, goodness. What? What? Oh, are you serious about that?